Hey folks, I've got, I think this is the first version of Xbox console built in 2014. As you can see, I didn't play much. It just been sitting there collecting dust. Last night, my son, 8 years old, he wants to play the old football game I had. So we plugged this in. I think when I didn't use it, then after I boot it up, it has to do a OS upgrade. That's done completely fine, no problem. After they upgraded, my son even got a chance to had a play, like a couple of hours. Then we went out for dinner. I switched it off. After we came back, tried to switch it on. It's stuck in the like the green screen, the launch screen with the Xbox logo. So I tried. I hold this button, the X button on the console to turn it off. Unplug the power cable. Unplug the HDMI cable. And then I try to restart again. Then I don't see the green launch screen anymore. Instead, I see that I googled it online. People call it like black screen of death. I try to do a factory reset basically by holding this eject button and the sync button on the left side together while I start the console. It didn't work. The monitor is working fine. The HDMI cable is all tested, and this is quite good. I mean, everything it works, I believe. So let me do a quick demo to show you what the problem and what I tried. So let's see. If I just turn it on, I can hear the oops, that's weird. I turned it off. It might take a while. There's a solid white light. People said that solid white light seems that power brick is okay. Then you can see nothing happen. I try to turn the monitor off, turn it on. There's no signal. After a while, I think it switched it off itself. So you can see after a while, it turned it off. Whoops, did it turn it back on itself? Yeah, it turned it off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try the factory reset, but again, there's nothing. I couldn't get the factory reset screen up. So I press this reset button. I mean by holding the sync and the eject button together. Nothing come up. Thanks for. If anyone knows any suggestions or solutions, post it in the comment below. Thank you very much.